Hello! Welcome to Stuttgart BlechExpo 2025. We are here in Prima Power stand, and now let me briefly explain what we have here to show to you. We concentrate this year for panel production, for switchgear boxes and rack cabinets for data centers. Switchgear boxes for high voltage usually has two main materials, inner parts for stainless and rest for zinc coating. We produced with our punch laser combination the longer and the shorter rails, supporting rails. This front panel with air ventilation done with cluster forming. We also produce the side panel by using cluster punch, also for air ventilation. In the end, we will create nice logo with the offset wheeling. This version is not seen, but on our demo we see that. These kind of big panels, like side panels and all these square panels are normally produced with punch and shear combination. Always the most economical, most effective way to produce such parts. Square parts and panels. Same story for rack cabinet. Square cluster punch used for air ventilation. At the same time, for inner parts, tops and bottoms and rails, there are certain details which are seen when we use punch and laser combination machine. For example, on the top there are big knockouts. We see extrusions and tappings, embosses, very narrow cut reliefs, so clearly need for laser as well. So both technologies are needed in the end in order to produce these kind of cabinets effectively. Now we focus this year to the things what we produce with punch and laser combination. Let's see the machine. We have Combi Genius 1530 on the stand. 1530 means 1.5 times 3 meter seat size. We have 300 kilonewtons for punching force, 400 tools inside the process at one time. This means no setup times. 300 kilonewtons means high tonnage, high accuracy. We can utilize the benefit having cluster punch as we see at the moment. Even for thin material we reach high tonnage easily. For the laser we use 6 kilowatts rack laser. And here we see some sample parts to show our capabilities. Samples for mild steel, aluminium, stainless, with nitrogen, compressed air, and also few highlights by using gas mixer. Right next to Combi, we have automatic picking and stacking robot called LSR. So the one robot handles the material loading to the machine, and after that picking and stacking. So unmanned process all the way. In this combination today we have one stack for raw material, one stack for stacked parts, and one for the skeleton. This setup can be easily expanded by connecting the system to storage, as example to nitrate. We can also have direct connection to the bending process, and this way we have fully automated line starting from the punching, laser cutting, picking and stacking all the way to the bending. So, Combi Genius solution for complex inner parts for data center rack cabinets. Thank you.